Let's map out your financial journey from your very first teenage job to long-term wealth. You work hard all month, but where exactly does that very first paycheck magically disappear to? Picture this. You just earned a cool $2,000 flipping burgers at your first high school job. But what actually hits your bank account? Just over $1,400. Yup, invisible forces struck. Income and state taxes shrink that check. Plus, Social Security and Medicare take a cut for forced early savings. Why? Well, taxes are basically the cost of civilization. They fund our roads, your schools, and government operations. Now, where does your money live? Banks aren't vaults. They're actually matchmakers using fractional reserve banking. You deposit your cash, and the bank immediately lends a huge fraction out for someone else's jet ski. So, why does your $5 bill buy way fewer instant noodles today than it used to? Meet inflation, the silent wealth thief. It's a slow, steady erosion of your money's purchasing power over time. When 2,000 people want a TV but only 1,000 exist, boom, the price jumps up. To beat inflation, use compound interest. It's where your dollars literally create tiny money-making clones of themselves. Don't fall into the debt trap where a burrito costs $50. Use the cheat code, investment growth. Then there's the shadowy algorithm, your credit score. Ranging from 300 to 850, it decides your future interest rates. Track your spending and make on-time payments. Your payment history is absolutely crucial for keeping this score high. This number isn't about how rich you are. It's a pure trust check for lenders. Will you pay them back? Time to rig the game in your favor. Stop trading your time for money and start investing it instead. Balance your risk early on. Stocks, bonds, and funds actively fight inflation and build real long-term wealth. See how this works? Consistency over decades turns small teenage investments into massive, clone-making retirement wins. Your absolute greatest asset right now, time. True wealth isn't built in days, guys. It's built in decades. So, will you let interest be your absolute worst enemy or your best unpaid employee? The choice is yours.